Good morning, everyone. Myself, Deepika Singh, Senior Assistant Professor, School of Pharmacy, BBD University. Today, I will discuss about the topic sources and types of the contamination.
First is personnel. Personnel who are supervising or performing drug manufacturing or control can be a potential source of microbiological contamination and a vector for other contaminants like natural skin flora of microorganisms can be a main source of contamination. For example, Staphylococcus aureus, Sarcina species, alkali genes species, etc. Various dermatophytic fungi, for example, epidermophyton species and microsporum species, etc. If person having wound, they may support organisms like Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus pyogenes, Proteus species, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, etc. The respiratory discharge of the personnel may include organisms like Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus salivarius, Neisseria pharyngeis, Klebsiella pneumoniae, etc. Sources and types of the contamination. Contamination or contaminant can gain entry into a production process stream from several sources such as personnel, poor facility design, incoming ventilation air, machinery and other equipment for production, raw material and semi-finished material, packaging material, utilities, different media used in production of as well as for cleaning and clean rooms. Second is working environment. Air is not a natural environment for microbes to grow as it does not contain water and nutrients needed for the growth. However, the microbes are carried into the atmosphere and remain suspended on particles of the dust, skin, clothing, moisture, or nasal droplets, sputum following sneezing or coughing. The microbial load of the air may get increased during handling of contaminated material during dispensing, blending and formulation process. Use of starch and sugars in dry state may increase fungal count. Settle, plate and different air sampling methods are commonly used for isolation and identification of microbes present in the working environment. Microbes which are commonly isolated from atmosphere are Staphylococcus species, Streptococcus species, Bacillus species, Microsporum species, Aspergillus species, Penicillium species, etc. Third is building and facility. The buildings and manufacturing facilities may also contribute to the contamination. Walls and ceiling of building are sources commonly for Aspergillus species, Cladosporium species, Penicillium species, Bacillus species, etc. They are mainly found in poorly ventilated buildings. These microorganisms utilize the content of the wall paint as a nutrient. The other reasons of contamination due to facility issues include inadequate filth and pest control, rough floors, walls and ceiling, lack of air filtration system, improper lighting and ventilation, poorly located vent and drains, inadequate washing, cleaning, toilet and locker facilities to allow for sanitary operations, cleaning of facilities, equipment and utensil and personal cleanliness. Fourth, equipment. The equipment and utensils used in processing, holding, transferring and packaging are the common source of pharmaceutical contamination. The main reasons for contamination from the equipment include inappropriate design, size, material loading to corrosion and accumulation of the static material or adulteration with lubricants, coolant, dirt and sanitizing agents. Improper cleaning and sanitization. Design prevents proper cleaning and maintenance. Improper calibration and irregular services and deliberate use of defective equipment. Fifth is materials. The raw materials used for production can be a potential source of contamination. Animal origin raw materials like gelatin, solid, pancreas and plant origin products like starch, acacia, sugarcane, etc., are known sources of microbial contamination. Raw materials of mineral origin are usually free from microbes, while some like zinc oxide, calamine, bentonite may contain spores of Clostridium species. The main reasons for contamination from the raw materials include storage and handling mistakes causing mix-up or selection errors, contamination with microorganisms or other chemicals, degradation from exposure to excessive environmental conditions such as heat, cold, sunlight, moisture, etc., improper labeling, improper sampling and testing, and use of material that fails to meet acceptance specifications. Sixth is the manufacturing process. There are various opportunities for contamination of raw materials, intermediates, or packaging materials throughout the manufacturing process. The main reasons for contamination during manufacturing process include lack of dedicated facility to manufacture a single product, inappropriate cleaning in between batches to minimize the amount of product changeover, use of an open manufacturing system exposing the product to the immediate room environment, inappropriate zoning, absence of an area line clearance according to approved procedure following each cleaning process and between each batch, and lack of cleaning status labeling on all equipment and materials used within the manufacturing facilities. Seventh is water. Water is one of the main constituent of many preparations and is also needed for washing and many processes. Fresh water contains many microbes, while water contaminated with the waste contain microbes of Proteus species, Escherichia species, Clostridium species, Streptococcus species, Flabobacterium species, etc. Softened water is commonly used for washing purpose in industry. Microbes from Bacillus and Staphylococcus species may come in during the process. Water for industrial use may be treated with filtration or UV or stored at elevated temperature to discourage microbial growth in it. 8 is packaging. The packaging of the pharmaceutical play a dual role. It holds the product and also prevents it from spoiling. The material used for pharmaceutical labeling and packaging contains many species of microbes like Bacillus, Clostridium, Penicillium, etc. The containers and closures are needed to be sterilized before use. Thank you for listening the topic.